and welcome to my channel Self Study with Tejas. Today we are going to start new chapter People Who Help Us. So let's start. So first question, I fix leaky water pipes. Who am I? So leaky water pipes is fixed by plumber. So C, plumber is the correct answer. Then second question, I fight enemies with a gun and protect my country. Who am I? So soldier protect our country. So B, soldier is the correct answer. Then third question, I help doctors to treat sick people. I care for and comfort patients. Who am I? So who care for and comfort patients is known as nurse. So D, nurse is the correct answer. So fourth question, who among the following uses the machine shown in the given picture? So this machine is used by tailor. So C, tailor is the correct answer. Then fifth question, the object shown in the given picture is used by, so this is a stethoscope, and stethoscope is used by doctors. So D, doctor is the correct answer. So sixth question, which of the following is not needed by farmer while farming? So farmer needs bullocks, water and soil but not threads. So A, threads is the correct answer. Then seventh question, select the correct option to fill in the blanks. Digging up of minerals from inside the earth is called, so here is dash, then dash and dash are obtained by this process. So digging up minerals from inside the earth is called mining. So here is mining. Then dash and dash are obtained by this process. So iron and coal are obtained from this process. So B is the correct answer. Then eighth question, select the incorrect statement regarding teachers. So they teach us to read and write. So this is correct. Then they teach us good habits and manners. So this is also correct. Then they make food for us in school. So this is wrong. So this is the wrong statement. Then ninth question, select the correct match. So police, fire station. So this is wrong. Then doctor, hospital. So this is correct. So B is the correct answer. So 10th question, look at the given picture and select the option that is related to it. So this is a traffic police, and traffic police uses whistle. So A, whistle is the correct answer. Then 11th question, which of the following statement is correct? So no work big or small. So this is correct. We should respect all types of work equally. So this is also correct. People should respect their own work and feel proud of it. So this is also correct, means D, all of this is the correct answer. Then 12th question, study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. So pediatrician, that is doctor of children. Then veterinarian is doctor of animals. So D, doctor of animals is the correct answer. So 13th question, dash is responsible for maintaining law and order in our area. So policeman is responsible for maintaining law and order in our area. So the policeman is the correct answer. Then 14th question, select the incorrect statement. A police works day and night to keep us safe. So we should always cooperate with them. So this is correct. Then a postman travels long distances to deliver our letters, telegrams, etc. We should be empathic towards him. So this is correct. Then the domestic of our houses work very hard to make our life easier. They should be treated with compassion. So this is also correct. Means D, none of this is the correct answer. Then 15th question, who among the following grows food for us? So farmer grows us food for us. So this is the photo of farmer. So C is the correct answer. Then 16th question, what is the main occupation of the people living near the sea? So fishing is the main occupation. People living near the sea. So A, fishing is the correct answer. So 17th question, there is a group of people in the society who provide services to the needy people and solve their problem. They do not charge for their work and services. They give importance to humanity. They are called social workers. So C, social workers is the correct answer. Then 18th question, which of the following occupation is not associated with the entertainment industry? So musician is, then dancer also here is, and then clown is, but mason is not. So D, mason is the correct answer. Then 19th question, which of the following uniforms is worn by a lawyer? So lawyer wears a black and white clothes. So here is black and white, means B is the correct answer. So 20th question, when the production process is distributed into stages and every person is given a particular task to handle, it is called division of labor. So A, division of labor is the correct answer. Then now let's start with achiever section. 21st question, match the columns and select the correct option. So barber, scissor, then greengrocer, weighing scale, chef, ladle, then teacher, chalk. Now let's take the answer. So A is third. So here is means the option can be from B or D. Then greengrocer is IV. So here is IV, but here is I. So this is the correct answer. So 22nd question, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X, Y and Z. So X teaches clothes, uses thread and needle, and it is a community helper, means it is a tailor. Then Y uses thread and needle and it is a community helper, means it is an embroider. And then Z is only a community helper, means it is potter, means C is the correct answer. Then 23rd question, select the option which on unscramble gives the name of a person who makes and repairs the things made from wood. So this is carpenter, and carpenter repairs the thing made of wood. So A is the correct answer. So 24th question, select the option in which odd member is incorrectly encircled incorrectly. So palace, wrench and comb. So this is correct. Then chalk, pipe and dusser. So this is also correct. Then measuring tape, scissor and stethoscope. This is wrong because measuring tape and scissors is used by a tailor, but stethoscope is used by doctor. So this is odd, but here is given scissors. So C is the correct. Then 25th question, read the given statement and select which one are true and which one are false. So first, a plumber makes wooden furniture for us. So this is wrong. So here false. Then hospital is an important building in our community. So this is true. Then a carpenter fixes our lights and electrical appliances. So this is false. Then a cobbler mends our shoes. So this is true. Means FT and FT. So here is FT and FT, means B is the correct answer. So friends, अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.